If you like the content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. Make sure you leave a comment down below. What is going on, you raging lunatics? Guys, I need your help. If you want me to continue doing this content, I need you to hit the like button on the way in. I need you to leave a comment down below so that this thing trends and as many people as possible see the video. The more people we get involved in Luna Classic, the better we're going to be as investors overall. Now, let's get into it because we don't have a lot of time and I want to cover as much as possible because things just keep going on. First of all, price action sitting at 92.09, up 1.5% on the day. Not the number that you're looking for. What you're looking for, really, let's be honest, you're looking for this big bounce right here to get to at least 96, and then that moonshot to drop the zero. Well, it doesn't look like we're at that spot right now. We broke out to the upside, but it really just kind of went sideways. That's not a great sign. Capital inflows just went into the red in the last hour on the 1 hour. On the 2 hour, it looks like we're safe. We're still in the green. The 4 hour, the same thing. But in the recent shorter time frames, and you're seeing some red in the water. Normally, when you see that, that does mean that a reversal to the downside is imminent. But the 5 minute has picked up a lot of green for the last little bit. So it's very possible that most of this is going to flip back over pretty soon, and that we've got some upside coming very soon. Now, I don't know because we did mint a green candle followed by a red candle on the 1 hour. So we'll see how this plays out. But we do have a green on the larger time frames. That usually means something good. So we'll keep you posted about that and let you know what's going on over there. And we are seeing a little bit of a run right now. So next up is USTC 1238. Again, same thing. You just want to see that big move. You want to see that nice parabolic sort of run a little bit just to remind people that it exists. We're in this downward facing channel. Look, guys, I can't stress this enough. When you just recently we saw Luna Classic, we just saw Pepe go crazy off of the same breakdown sort of pattern. Right now, you can also make an argument that those little breakouts don't even show as a good testament to what could be happening here. No matter how you chart, no matter how you start to move these sticks around, no matter how you look at it, you've got a descending channel. A descending channel breaks to the upside. Now, I want to say that the maximum that you could possibly get in exposure comes up here to about 3.5 cents. I just want to preface this with that because I feel like, and you never know what's going to happen on these breakouts, right? But it does kind of feel like that's going to be about the cap on any sort of breakout in this market, unless this market just kind of flips the script and goes crazy. And the reason for that, because this right here, this is where we were, 3.5 cents basically. So, that's a 3x breakout from where we are. So just, keep in mind that there's some big stuff in the background. Now, overall, 92.35. Again, having a nice little spike. Things are starting to move to the positive. 57 million in trading volume, 538 million market cap, USTC 6 million and 121 million. And then here we have this right here. This is the important part. These are the things that you want to know, right? USTC quant team update. Understandably, it's been a dramatic week for the Lunc community, with disinformation and division taking the center stage. Always the case. This thread will cut through all the noise and lay out the facts. We reached out to major exchanges like TGF and Rex. Many exchanges initially reacted positively to the proposal for 1147. What is 1147? That's the signal, USTC, incremental repeg, buybacks, staking, and swaps. Okay. The L1 team, due to their heavy involvement in the implementation, was in regular touch and has been supportive. When a major CEX had technical issues supporting the proposal, I shared this confidential information with LBA, manager of the L1 team, with permission. Only Rex, LBA, and I were privy to this information. Despite this issue, we saw it as a positive response and continue to discuss possible solutions. The problem lies with the algorithm powering their matching engine, something they would need to fix. Till last week, we were in talks and they made it clear that they have not closed the door on the proposal. Regretfully, LBA decided to circumvent the usual lines of communication and leaked confidential information. This brought into question our future relationship with centralized exchanges, thereby endangering the entire Repeg effort. We don't know why he decided to pursue this action, only that its outcome has severely hampered our ability to negotiate with exchanges. Lines of dialogue that were previously open are now in discussion, and we hope that exchanges will be able to work with us to move past this breach of trust. We also hope the community will rally behind the Repeg effort. Despite the recent attempts to damage the USTC team and mission, we need to be looking forwards, not backwards. This is greater than any of us. A successfully repeg USTC will lead to an ecosystem revival for Lunc. Now, if you were interested, then you need to come over here and you need to read this and go into the classic, because you want to read the whole thing. You want to understand exactly what this repeg is going to do. You want to have at least a rudimentary grasp. In one of my next videos, I'm going to be covering this for you. I just don't have time to right now because we're already at the 5-minute mark. So I want to leave you with this. Go read Prop 11.487. See what it is. See how it benefits you. It's greatly benefiting the community. USTC Repeg, incredibly important. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you hit the like button and leave a comment so that helps trend this in the algorithm. And we will talk to you again very, very soon.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck look like the Loch Ness. What are we doing? I'm about to fall out, boy, in the proofs and the pudding. So, can we forget about the things I said when I was drunk? I ain't mean to call you that. I'm ice cold like the keg the bartender tap. On another level like I'm fucking